I didn't sign up to ice road trucking. I did not do this to myself. Winter happened on its own. I tried to wish it away. I tried to sell it to China. Oh, but here it is. 10 degrees. I'm out here next to Kenosha, Wisconsin. It's a lot of scraping. Kenosha. I should have checked my pump number, shouldn't I have? Oh, fuck. I hate it when I forget the pump number and I get all the way inside and stand there like a dingbat. Like a dingbat. They don't say what number they are, so you gotta walk all the fucking way back. Why couldn't they do it from afar? Because that would be too easy. Too easy. Alright, what number am I? Alright, what number? Come on, puto. What number, puto? 18. There it is. It was fucking hidden. What a piece of shit truck stop. I mean, I slept here. That was nice. Oh, fudge. Oh, 18. Ooh, a lot of scrapes. Oh, that burns my face. You Wisconsin people are out of your freaking mind. Oh, you could be in SoCal right now, at the beach. Flirting with the German in Venice. Oh. 18. Ooh, romantic. Ooh, cubby hole. I think there used to be a TV up there back in the 90s.
Welcome, professional drivers. As a courtesy to other drivers, please pull forward from the diesel aisle. Finish